Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty choppy chart over the past few days, which is why I haven't really been touching it and doing any really analysis on it. But as far as, moving forward now and, with the choppiness, it's definitely brought about a couple of very well-defined areas from a charting standpoint. And well-defined areas are always a good thing because well-defined means a lot of people have taken notice of them. And when a lot of people watch a certain level and and are all watching and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have here with a couple of these areas. So the first level here that a lot of people are going to be watching is going to be down here, and rightfully so. It's an important area of support. It's a well-defined area of support, but right there at that 15-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong, nothing is guaranteed to happen, but my core point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price were to come down to 15 and then break down below it, that break could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure just because, again, self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, you're going to have a lot of people watching that area, and when supports are broken, that's not a good sign. That's not a sign of bullishness. Now, on the flip side of things, the exact opposite is true. Another area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching is right up here at that 17-cent mark. So again, nothing is guaranteed. Let me adjust that upwards. Nothing is guaranteed at all, but it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational premise that if the price can work its way back up to that area and then get the break of 17, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside and buying pressure because you're going to have a bunch of breakout players watching that area. And if the breakout if the breakout happens, well, then by default, because the breakout's happening, people are going to buy. So that's what I mean by a self-fulfilling prophecy. So that's going to be another key area to watch very closely moving forward. But overall, just applying the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid. So keep your eye on those couple areas moving forward, and let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.